Pegasus, a surveillance tool created by Israeli cyber intelligence firm NSO Group, is at the heart of a new conspiracy. Latvian portals have rushed to claim that the technology was misused by the Indian government to snoop on over 40 journalists, 3 opposition figures, a constitutional authority, 2 ministers, as well as business persons. The NSO has busted each of these claims. The newly sworn-in IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav bludgeoned the hullabaloo around the sensationalist claims with piercing facts.
A highly sensational story was published by a web portal yesterday night. Many over-the-top allegations have been made around this story. The press reports have appeared a day before the monsoon session of the Parliament. This cannot be a coincidence, Honorable Speaker, sir. The publisher of the report states that it cannot say if the numbers in the published list were under surveillance. Second, the company whose technology was allegedly used has denied these claims outrightly, and the time-tested procedures of our country are well established to ensure that unauthorized surveillance cannot occur. Honorable Speaker, sir, when we look at this issue through the prism of logic, it clearly emerges that there is no substance whatsoever behind this sensationalism.
In a crisp and clear statement, the government had last night stated that the Pegasus project and the snooping claims are nothing but a fishing expedition. Not only has the NSO said that the entire report is filled with uncorroborated theories, but it cannot be overlooked that the cyber auditing firm that worked on creating the Pegasus report is owned by Amnesty, whose organizations are already under ED scrutiny. Despite the busted claims and unsubstantiated Snoopgate theories, the opposition has chosen to jump the gun. The Congress has said national security is under threat.
या हमारा नेशनल सिक्योरिटी खतरे में है, किसी का कोई प्राइवेसी नहीं है, सर्वेलेंस स्टेट चलते हैं, जरूर उठाएंगे ये मुद्दा.
The RJD is saying democracy is in danger.
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी खबर तो पेगासस वाली हो गई है. वो ऐसी खबर है कि आपके रोंगटे खड़ी कर देती है. और तो और छोड़िए, चर्चा ये है कि संघ के लोगों को भी अब स्नूप कर रहे थे. तो पहले होता था कि हम कहते थे सर्वेलेंस स्टेट है, अब तो स्टेट परपेचुअली सर्वेलेंस मोड में है, और ये हमारे लोकतंत्र के लिए बहुत खतरनाक है. एक ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी तुरंत फौरी तौर पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट की जानी चाहिए.
And the Shiv Sena has declared that it will raise the issue in Parliament.
कि इस देश के 1500 से भी ज़्यादा प्रमुख लोगों के अगर फोन टैप किए जाते हैं, ये जरूर उनका मकसद है और ये देश को खतरा है, देश की स्वतंत्रता को खतरा है. मुझे लगता है देश के प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री ने सामने आकर उस बारे में देश की जनता को बताना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है.
The BJP has called out the politics, saying it's a new law.
This is a new law in the political discourse of a party which has ruled India for more than 50 years. सारी कहानी मॉनसून सत्र के पहले ही क्यों शुरू होती है? क्या कुछ लोग ये योजनाबद्ध तरीके से लगे हुए थे कि ये कहानी मॉनसून सत्र के पहले ही फोड़नी है ताकि देश में एक नया माहौल बनाया जाए?
And as facts unfold and the major gaps in the Pegasus report are unveiled, was there a deliberate attempt to spread mass paranoia with Snoopgate claims? Was it all a long shot by the lobby that is desperate to spin master a fear psychosis around cybersecurity? Is the politics over the Pegasus report by the opposition an attempt to derail the monsoon session? Let's debate.